students and friends, you are most welcome to this channel. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with a topic adjective formation, degree or degrees of adjective formation. Formation of comparative and superlative degree are from positive degree. Let us learn, let us understand, and let us use in our own sentences. First, a rule. Here a list of adjectives have been given here, and a degree has been given, right? Positive degree, ER added to positive degree becomes comparative degree. ES added to positive degree becomes superlative degree. Examples have been given here. Dear, dear, positive degree, प्यारा, comparative ER, dearer, dearest, superlative EST, dearest. Likely other adjectives have been given here. Great, greater, greatest, long, longer, longest, clever, cleverest, cleverer, cleverest, poor, poorer, poorest, small, smaller, smallest, tall, taller, tallest, fast, faster, fastest, hard, harder, hardest, high, higher, highest, old, older, elder, oldest, eldest, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, short, shorter, shortest, weak, weaker, weakest. Here you see ER added to positive degree becomes comparative, and EST added to positive degree becomes superlative degree. Now there are so many other adjectives adding to adjectives. Positive degree, in positive degree ER added, that becomes comparative. EST added to that positive degree, that becomes a superlative degree. There are so many, and use those in your own sentences. Next rule, that is now positive degree ending with E. Positive degree ending with E. Then positive degree plus R becomes comparative degree, and positive degree plus ST, that becomes a superlative degree. Positive, comparative, superlative. Now brave, example here, brave, brave, E, okay, ending with E, brave ending with E. Then R added to, braver, comparative degree, it becomes bravest. So brave, positive degree, brave, EST, ST only, ST, bravest, brave, braver, bravest. Wise, okay, wiser, wisest. Large, E, larger, largest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Able, abler, ablest. Fine, finer, finest, etc. There are other adjectives in positive degree. So by adding R becomes a comparative degree, and by adding ST to positive degree becomes a superlative degree. Superlative degree adjectives. Use these adjectives in your own sentences, and that is next rule, that is positive degree ending with a. Try to understand. Positive degree ending with a. Positive degree a से खत्म समाप्त हो रहा है ना, ending with a, right? Positive degree ending with a single vowel. Single vowel. Here vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel. So positive degree ending with single vowel. This, this, or this, or this, or this. Any vowel plus single consonant. A, B, C, D, etc. Single consonant. Consonant is doubled. So that consonant, particular consonant, is doubled while adding ER, EST. ER for your comparative, EST for your superlative. Example, red. Red, single vowel. Here you see, single vowel plus consonant D, E, vowel and D consonant. So consonant becomes double here, reddest. Thin, here you see single I and consonant N, thin, thinner, double N, thinnest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Wet, ending with the vowel here plus consonant. Plus consonant, here you see vowel and here vowel and T consonant. This consonant T, double T, wetter, and then wettest. Big, B-I-G, I, vowel, G, consonant. I mean vowel plus consonant. Here you see consonant, vowel, consonant. Then it becomes comparative degree. Now bigger, double G, biggest, double G. Fat, single vowel A and T consonant. Then it becomes comparative fatter, fattest. Hot, H-O-T, single vowel and T consonant. Hotter, hottest. In this way, here you see positive degree, adjective in positive degree ending with vowel, consonant, single vowel, single consonant. That becomes, what does it become? Consonant is doubled, while adding ER or EST for comparative and superlative degree, etc. There are so many other adjectives on this system, on this pattern. You may form, you may change their degrees, right? Yes, dear. Next point, next rule of about formation of comparative and superlative from positive degree. Point 4. Adjective ending with the consonant plus Y. To be, the Y to be replaced by IER, IEST, okay, respectively comparative and superlative degree respectively. देखिए, easy. Example here, EASY, SY, S consonant, Y, easy. Then comparative degree, easier, IER. Superlative, easiest, IEST. Y to be changed, to be replaced by I, and ER added to, and est added to I. I here you see, added to er, added to est. So here you see is here, easiest. Heavy, V, consonant, then Y, likely, heavier, heaviest. Happy, P, consonant, Y, consonant plus Y, then IER, happier, IEST, happiest. Likely, dry, drier, driest, etc. There are so many other adjectives ending with the consonant and Y, or Y to be replaced by I, and then ER added to that positive degree, and for your superlative EST to be added to I. In this way, you may form other comparative and superlative degree. Next rule, that is adjective or positive degree ending with vowel plus Y. Vowel plus Y means Y last word. Last letter Y, and before Y there is vowel. In that case, ER, EST to be added to positive degree for comparative and superlative degree respectively. ये उस शब्द में एडजेक्टिव में Y होगा अंत में, उससे पहले एक वावल होगा, तो इसके लिए ER कंपैरेटिव डिग्री के लिए और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री के लिए EST जोड़ देंगे और बन जाएगा, देखिए, गे मीन्स हैप्पी पर्सन, गे, Y, before Y, A, gay, gayer, gayest, grey, AY, ये vowel and Y consonant, grey, grayer, grayest. So many other sentences you may change on this pattern. Okay, next rule, that is formation of a comparative and superlative using more and most for comparative and superlative degree. Comparative and superlative के लिए क्या करना है, more और most का प्रयोग करेंगे. More comparative के लिए and most superlative के लिए. Examples have been given here. You can see here. Beautiful, adjective, positive degree. More beautiful, most beautiful. Useful, more useful, most useful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Popular, more popular, most popular. Careless, more careless, most careless. Learned, more learned, most learned, etc. There are so many other adjectives in positive degree to form. There are so many other positive degree, right? Using more and most, you may form comparative and superlative degree. Next point, next rule, that is irregular irregular formation of degrees. Irregular word you may enlist from your dictionary irregular positive, and try to learn. Ill or bite. So bite, worse, worst. Good, better, best. Well, better, best. Many, more, most. Much, more, most. Little, less, least. So many other words you may find, you may use in your. So you may form from positive into comparative and superlative. Yes, dear. Please Do use this, dear. Next point, next rule, like next topic, a point that is to understand uses of some Latin adjectives. Latin adjectives. Let us understand. Okay, Latin adjectives as a positive degree. Okay, interior, exterior, major, minor, ulterior, posterior, anterior. देखने में लगता है कि ये सब कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में है, लेकिन ये पॉजिटिव डिग्री में है. पॉजिटिव डिग्री. So let us use these Latin adjectives in positive degree. First comes an interior. Interior means आंतरिक, अंदर का. She has specialized in interior decoration. इंटीरियर डेकोरेशन, आंतरिक डेकोरेशन सजावट में उसने विशेषज्ञता किया है, विशेषता किया है. एक्सटीरियर, बाहरी. द एक्सटीरियर वॉल्स आर बिल्ट ऑफ मार्बल्स. एक्सटीरियर वॉल्स, दीवारें मार्बल्स की बनी हुई हैं. मेजर, बहुत बड़ा. मेजर a major war has been averted by the intervention of UNO. UNO के हस्तक्षेप से एक बहुत बड़ा युद्ध टल गया, अवॉइड कर गया. मेजर. ओके. माइनर, बहुत छोटा, मामूली. इट इज अ माइनर इंजरी. यह बहुत छोटी घाव है, इंजरी है. इंजरी. अल्टेरियर, जो अज्ञात है, अव्यक्त है. He has an ulterior, अव्यक्त, छिपा हुआ, ऑब्जेक्टिव उद्देश्य टू मीट मी, मुझसे मिलने के लिए उसके पास बहुत छोटा सा, अव्यक्त ऑब्जेक्टिव है. पोस्टीरियर, इट इज पिछला. इट इज द पोस्टीरियर लोब ऑफ द लीवर. लीवर का यह पोस्टीरियर लोब है, पिछला हिस्सा है, पोस्टीरियर. एंटीरियर, अगला या ऊपर वाला. इट इज द एंटीरियर लोब ऑफ द लंग. लंग का, फेफड़े का यह एंटीरियर, अगला या ऊपरी हिस्सा है. ओके. फलक है. लोब मीन्स फलक. यू सी हियर इंटीरियर, एक्सटीरियर, मेजर, माइनर, अल्टीरियर, पोस्टीरियर, एंटीरियर के बाद आप तुरंत नाउन देखते हैं. एंटीरियर डेकोरेशन. So adjective. एक्सटीरियर वॉल्स से पहले है, यू सी, एडजेक्टिव. मेजर वॉल से पहले है, एडजेक्टिव. माइनर इंजरी से पहले है, एडजेक्टिव. अल्टीरियर ऑब्जेक्टिव, जस्ट बिफोर ऑब्जेक्टिव. Ulterior adjective. Objective means noun. Posterior से पहले लोब से पहले posterior है, adjective. Anterior, लोब से पहले फिर anterior है, adjective. A noun and noun. This is noun. Just before noun. Interior, exterior, measure, minor, ulterior, posterior, anterior. Now these are the Latin adjectives have been used just before nouns, so they are adjectives. One adjective that is top. Top has no comparative degree. It is without comparative. It has positive degree and superlative degree. Topmost. Top and topmost. As an adjective, let us understand, let us learn the uses of top. Top को देखिए. As adjective uses. The top floor shines brightly. ऊपर वाला फ्लोर चमकता है. Just before floor, top, ऊपरी. Adjective. This is top secret noun here. just before second, top as an adjective. Top, positive degree, here you see, and superlative degree, topmost. Look at this sentence. The topmost branches are full of buds. Topmost, सबसे ऊपर वाला. Branches are full of buds. चिड़ियों से सबसे ऊपर वाली डालियां, शाखाएं चिड़ियों से लदी भरी हुई हैं. Topmost. The birds are singing in the topmost branches of my topmost branches of a tree in my garden. ऐसा प्रयोग सीखिए, कर सकते हैं. You may use top here. Let us understand as a noun. Uses of a top as a noun. Noun के रूप में top का हम प्रयोग सीखते हैं. Meet me at the top of the hill. पहाड़ी के टॉप पर, शिखर पर मुझसे मिलो. Top as noun. The helicopter landed on top of a building. Building के टॉप पर हेलीकॉप्टर उतरा. Top, शिखर, शिखर, शिखर. Okay, means noun, noun, noun. He has been topper of this college. वह इस कॉलेज का टॉपर रहा है. As a noun, not comparative degree, but it is noun. Topper, one who tops is known as topper. Remember dear, one who tops is known as topper. Topper, he is topper, topping, topper. Sometimes a topper, कभी कभार topper fails in his practical life. अपने practical life में topper fail कर जाता है. Topper here, noun. Top, noun. Top as a noun. Topper as a noun. And let us learn the uses of a top. Top as a verb. Verb के रूप में देखिए. How did you top the exams? परीक्षा को आपने कैसे टॉप किया? Top. Did top. Verb. टॉपिंग ऑल द कैंडिडेट्स. तो सब कैंडिडेट्स को टॉप करने के बाद, या ही इज मच मोर प्लीज्ड, वो बहुत खुश हुआ. टॉपिंग, वो भी टॉप करके. तो एज हियर वो टॉप करना, टॉप करके means present participle. Verb. Top as an adverb. Top adverb के रूप में. She came top. वह टॉप होकर के आई. अगर हम यहां कहें she came slowly. Adverb. She came slowly. वह धीरे धीरे आई. ओके, इसको काट दीजिए. She came top. वह टॉप होकर के आई. She came slowly. वह धीरे धीरे आई. तो here you see top as adverb. ओके, अच्छा. She came top in her exam. वो अपने एग्जाम में टॉप करके आई. तो now please do like, share and subscribe, and try to use these adjectives in your own sentences. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day.